Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel where I bring you the latest and greatest in online business. Today, I'm going to show you the 7 best online businesses you can start right now with little to no investment. 1. Dropshipping. With dropshipping, you don't need to hold any inventory, which makes it a low risk and low cost business model. You simply find a supplier who agrees to dropship their products and then you promote their products on your website or through social media. There are plenty of people that make a good living from dropshipping and are very successful, making $100,000 plus a year. 2. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you earn a commission by promoting other people's products. You can do this through your blog, website, or social media. Affiliate marketers make an average of 5 rupees 213182.66 a year. 3. Online course creation. If you have expertise in a particular field, you can create and sell online courses to teach others. You can use platforms like Udemy or Teachable to get started. There are several monetization options for a course creator. Successful course creators make around $1,000-$10,000 per month on average. 4. Digital marketing services. If you have experience in digital marketing, you can offer your services to businesses looking to reach their target audience online. An average digital marketing expert can make $40,000 and $97,000 per year. 5. E-commerce store. You can start your own e-commerce store and sell products directly to your customers. You can use platforms like Shopify to get started. Data shows that at 3 months, a newly set e-commerce store can make just over $63,000 in monthly revenue, while at 1 year they can average it to $127,000 in monthly revenue. 6. Blogging. If you have a passion for writing, you can start a blog and earn money through advertising, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. It's pretty easy to make an extra $500-$2,000 per month blogging in your first year. And then in year 2, 3, 4, and 5, you can significantly increase your monthly blog revenue. Glassdoor reports that the average blogger salary is over $32,800 per year. 7. Web design and development services. If you have skills in web design and development, you can offer your services to businesses looking to build or redesign their websites. A web designer can make as much as $146,430, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS. The salary for web designers depends on location, experience, and skill level. These are just a few of the many online business opportunities available. The best part is that you can start most of these businesses with little to no investment, which makes it easier for you to get started and test the waters. So, what are you waiting for? Get started on your entrepreneurial journey today. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comments below. And, as always, stay tuned for more tips and tricks on online business. See you in the next one.